FieldPulse doesn't really work like base price plus a menu of fixed add-on fees. Most of the extra cost comes from feature tiers, user count, and optional services that unlock inside the platform as your business grows. By the end of this, you'll know what actually drives FieldPulse cost increases and which upgrades tend to quietly raise your monthly bill. Start with the structure. FieldPulse is a field service management platform built for scheduling, invoicing, and job tracking. You pay for access through a subscription plan, and that plan determines what features are included. Now look at users. One of the biggest cost drivers is team size. FieldPulse pricing scales based on how many users you add. So as your field crew grows, your monthly cost increases because each additional user requires access. Next, consider feature tiers. Basic plans cover core tools like scheduling and invoicing. More advanced features like automation, reporting tools, and expanded job management are typically tied to higher tier plans. So instead of buying add-ons, you often end up upgrading your entire plan to unlock them. Now look at payments. If you use FieldPulse for invoicing and payment collection, the software itself may not be the only cost. Payment processing fees are separate and come from the transaction system you use to accept credit cards or online payments. Next, think about integrations. Connecting FieldPulse to accounting tools or external apps can sometimes require higher tier access or additional configuration work. That doesn't always show as a direct add-on, but it increases total operating cost. Now, consider communication tools. Some businesses rely heavily on customer messaging, automated reminders, or dispatch notifications. Those features may be limited in lower tiers, which pushes users into upgraded plans. Next, look at onboarding and setup. FieldPulse setup is not usually a one-click process. You may spend time importing customer data, setting up job workflows, and training staff on how to use the system. That time has a real cost even if it's not billed directly. Now understand the hidden cost. The biggest add-on cost in FieldPulse is usually growth. As your business expands, you naturally need more users, more automation, and more advanced scheduling tools, which pushes you into higher pricing tiers. Finally, understand the system. FieldPulse costs don't rise because of random add-on fees. They increase based on three things: how many users you have, how advanced your feature needs are, and how much your business depends on automation and integrations. To sum it up, most extra costs come from scaling your team, upgrading to unlock advanced features, and paying for payment processing outside the platform. Next step is simple. Start with the lowest plan that matches your current workload, track which features you actually use for 30 days, and only upgrade when your team's size or workflow complexity forces it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more FieldPulse breakdowns, service business software insights, and simple explanations that make pricing easier to understand.